Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the revision of 10th chapter Human Health and Diseases. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and the name of the virus, which is human immunodeficiency virus. First noticed in USA in 1981, and in India it is confirmed the case of AIDS was in April 1986 in Tamil Nadu. Structure of HIV: 100 to 140 nanometer in diameter spherical particle shows centrally located ssRNA, that is single stranded RNA molecule, and with the transcriptase enzyme. Two layers of proteins are there, there is a matrix protein and the capsid protein. Here is the structure which is explained in this diagram. Over the matrix protein layers, three additional layers of lipids, glycoprotein GP120, GP41. Virus replicates actively, dividing T4 lymphocytes, which are our immunity present, which are like our immunity system of the body, and can remain in the latent stage, that means the incubation period, for 2 to 3 years, and keeps destroying the T4 lymphocytes. It is found in greatest concentration in blood, semen, cerebrospinal fluid, and lesser extent in tears, milk, urine, saliva, cervical and vaginal secretions. Virus, this diagram is important, can be asked for 2 marks. Virus can be transmitted through unsafe sexual contact, blood transfusion or needle sharing, and from mother to the child, and also from the nursing mother, means a mother who's feeding milk to the baby, young baby. Other methods of spreading virus are rare, which include accidental needle injury, artificial insemination with infected donated semen, can be found in urine, tears, saliva, breast milk and vaginal secretions, but it's not be transmitted by these fluids unless it gets into injuries. Clinical significance. Clinical manifestations. The initial infection, which is 2 to 8 weeks after the initial infection, which virus and the formation of antibodies. Asymptomatic carrier state, which is which longs last from 6 months to 10 years, maybe no signs of disease in this period. AIDS related complex, where which is more longer than 1 month, fatigue, unexplained diarrhea, night sweats, shortness of breath, loss of more than 10% of the body weight. And AIDS, which is the last stage, end stage of HIV infection, life threatening opportunistic infections like pneumonia, tuberculosis, Kaposi sarcoma. Preventive measures. People, particularly those in high risk group, should educated about HIV transmission, like we can say those who are medical worker and also those who are sex workers. Disposable needles, syringe should be used and disposed of properly and immediately. Sexual habits should be changed immediately, that means be honest with the one partner. High risk groups should refrain from donating blood. Toothbrushes, razors, other articles that can become contaminated with blood should not be shared. Before receiving blood, ensure that it has been screened for not containing HIV infection. Routine screening must be done for blood donors, organ donors, donors for semen and growth hormones, patients undergoing hemodialysis, that means dialysis patients, and females in high risk group who are pregnant or contemplating pregnancy, that means who are expecting pregnancy. Laboratory diagnosis. At first, the test is used to detect the HIV antibodies, while second confirmatory test, which is used to weed out the false positive result. So first test is ELISA test, which is enzyme linked immunoabsorbent assay, and the confirmatory test, which is a Western blot, highly specific test, where the specific antibodies to viral core proteins and envelope glycoproteins which are detected. Treatments of AIDS. No cure. So certain medicals which are antiretroviral drugs can help in reducing the viral load, that means reduces the number of viruses. Antiretroviral therapy, ART, or TDF, that is tenofovir, EFV, efavirenz, lamivudine, that is 3TC, etc. Advancement made in biological sciences have helped to deal this effectively many infectious disease. So use of vaccines and immunization programs have enabled us to eradicate completely the dreadful diseases like smallpox, a large number of other infections. We have completed the AIDS here and we are just winding with this paragraph. So biotechnology is on verge of making available newer, safer vaccines. Discovery of antibiotics and various drugs has also enabled us to treat effectively infectious diseases like tuberculosis. Next subtopic, that is adolescence. It is the period of beginning with the appearance of secondary sexual characters, that is adolescence, where the termination with the cessation of somatic, that is body growth, can also be regarded as a transitional stage of physical mental development of a child occurring between the puberty and entering in the legal adulthood between 10 to 19 years. So no longer child, no longer adult, and not yet an adult. There is the 10 to 19 years teenage. Development of many fronts like sexual reproductive maturity, mental development, identity, transition from socio-economic and emotional development dependent to relative independence. Stages of adolescence. There is early period 10 to 14, where the defining boundaries of dependence, independence, self-exploration, developing body image, development of intense friendship, seeking counter instability and evaluation. Secondary sexual characters which are seen. Growth reaches to its peak. Middle period 15 to 17, 95% of adult stature is attained. Thinking is more abstract, re-establishing body image, capable of long-range thinking, sense of leadership, powerfulness, preoccupied with the romantic fantasy, ability testing, attraction of opposite sex, peer group, pressure, behavioral code. Defining behavioral code is found in this age. Late period, it is characterized by establishment of total physical maturity, abstract thinking, intellectual, functional adult identity, peer group, favorite individual relationship, stable relationship, and change from childhood to adulthood relationship. Physical changes of adolescence. Growth spurt, that is body, that's both boys and girls. Body muscle develop, skin become oily, broadening of shoulder, cracking of voice, development of underarm and chest hair, pubic hair, facial hair, enlargement of penis and testes. In girls, development of breast, widening of hip, development of underarm, pubic hair, enlargement of uterus and ovaries. Sexual development, sex organs mature, enlarge, sexual desire comes in the mind, erection of penis in boys, and sperm production, ejaculation, ovulation, menstruation, initiation of sexual behavior. Emotional and social changes include establishing own identity, fantasy, daydreaming, attention seeking behavior, sexual attraction, rapid mood changes, conflicts with parents, family, behavioral code, self exploration, evaluation, formation of new relationship, and peer pressure, etc. Mental health and adolescence. Many of the emotional and social changes have implication in the mental health. So in the adolescence, which is a mentally unstable state, nausea, less concentration, hyperactivities, anger, effects of lifestyles like obesity, addictions, accidents, mental illness. These are the facts of the terms of the forms of depression like insomnia and loss of energy. These are the problems. So this mental illness, there is disorder or unfavorable changes related to the psychological behavior manifestation. Psychosis includes delusions, hallucination, disturbances in the thinking process. Amnesia, loss of memory, bulimia, that is extreme or indulgence in food, anxiety, fear or apprehension, anorexia nervosa, emotional aversion to food, depression, sadness, inactivity, and neurosis, schizophrenia, illusions, hallucinations. Adolescence is thus characterized by the number of cognitive, emotional, behavioral, physical, attitudinal changes lead to the positive personality development, view of their friendship, peer group, which is more important in this period. So many lead to the various kinds of addictions like smoking, taking drugs. These are the problems in the adolescence. Treatment of such disorders should be preferentially the non-pharmacological approach due to respect rights of children. WHO recommended evidence-based guidelines under the Mental Health Gap Action Program MHGAP. Addiction, a complex condition characterized by compulsive use of substance despite of the harmful consequences. May be involved substances like drugs, alcohol, opioids, cocaine, nicotine, other behaviors such as gambling. Evidence that the addictive behaviors which is shared by neurobiological features, addiction overall results in the impairment of physiological, psychological functions of the body, causes of abuse during adolescence, insufficient parental supervision, lack of communication to the parents, poorly defined rules, family conflicts, favorable parental attitudes towards alcohol and drug, expectations from drug use, risk taking behavior. Methods to control drug abuse. Prevention is better than cure, that we have to keep in our mind. Child should not forced perform beyond the capacities in studies. Education, counseling, and child is face problems and states to accept the things, disappointments, and the failures. Drug abuse. The drugs which are commonly abused are opioids, cannabinoids, and alkaloids are coca. Opioids. Heroin, otherwise called the smack, which is chemically diacetylmorphine extracted from latex of poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum, depressant and slows down the activity of the body. Cannabinoids interact with receptors present in the brain, inhalation and ingestion of the substances, cardiovascular system, obtained from the inferences of the cannabis sativa. Marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja are different forms of drugs obtained from this plant. Cocaine, alkaloid obtained from coca plant. Erythroxylum coca increases level of neurotransmitter dopamine. Excessive doses cause extreme happiness, irritability, and paranoia. Hallucinogens, mind expanding drugs. Daydreaming, lysergenic, and cannabis are hallucinogenic substances. Hallucination, that means that we all know that things can be seen which is not happened. Atropa, beldoma, and datura species also have hallucinogenic properties. These are the unreal perceptions of unreal object due to disorder of nervous system. Addiction and dependence. Because of the perceived benefits, drugs are used repeatedly. Most important thing which fails to realize the inherent addictive natures of alcohol and drugs, psychological attachment to the certain effects. This is self-destructive. Repeated use of drugs, tolerance level receptors present in the body increases. Consequently, receptors respond only the higher doses drugs, and dependence on the tendency of the body manifests characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. Regular drugs of doses is abruptly discontinued. This is characterized by anxiety, trembling, nausea, and sweating. May be relieved when use is resumed. That means the stop. Effects of drug alcohol abuse. Reckless behavior, vandalism, and violation. Warning signs of drug alcohol abuse among the youth, which is drop in the academic performance, unexplained absence of school college, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal, isolation, depression, fatigue, aggressive, rebellious behavior, deteriorating relationships with family, friends, interest in hobbies, change in sleeping, loss of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping, eating habits, fluctuations in weight, appetite. Far-reaching implications of drug alcohol abuse. Abuser is unable to get money by drug alcohol. She or he may turn to crime. Mental and financial distress in his or her entire family and friends. Chronic use of drugs and alcohol damages nervous system and liver. During pregnancy, it affects the fetus. Enhanced performances for sports persons, that are the analgesics, anabolic steroids, diuretics. These anabolic steroids in females include masculinization features like males, increase aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, abnormal menstrual cycles, excessive hair growth, enlargement of clitoris, deepening of voice. In males, it includes acne, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, reduction of size, testicles, decreased sperm production, kidney liver dysfunction, breast enlargement, premature baldness. Prevention and control. Age-old adage that is smoking, taking drug, alcohol are more likely to be taken up by the young age lightly, like more during adolescence. So identify the situations, and in this regard the parents and the teachers have a special responsibility to monitor child. Here we have finished these chapters revision.